Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to ElectroCAD. In the previous video, we understood the process and identified all equipment and instrumentation used in our RO water filtration plant. In this video, we will do something more important than drawing. We will define the control philosophy. Without a clear control philosophy, even the best drawings will fail during commissioning. A control philosophy is a written and logical description of how a system should operate under all conditions. It answers questions like what starts first, what stops everything immediately, and what conditions must be satisfied before operation. How does the system recover after a fault? Every professional EPC project begins with this step. In our system, each pump operates in three modes: auto, off, and manual mode. These modes are selected using auto, off, manual selector switches on the panel door. Let's start with the manual mode. Manual mode is typically used for commissioning, maintenance, and troubleshooting. In manual mode, the operator can start or stop the pump directly. However, all safety interlocks remain active. Overloads, emergency stop, and phase failure must always trip the pump. Manual mode never means unsafe operation. Auto mode is used during normal plant operation. In auto mode, pump starts and stops automatically. Operation is based on level, pressure, and timers. Operator intervention is minimal. And auto mode is where the real control logic exists. Before any pump can start, the panel itself must be enabled. Panel enable depends on the following conditions: raw water tank level above low, product water tank below high level, healthy three-phase supply, emergency stop is released. If any of these conditions fail, the panel disables all pump operation. The feed water pump is the first pump in the sequence in auto mode. Feed pump starts when panel is enabled. It supplies water to the RO system. It stops immediately if raw water level becomes low. In manual mode, operator can start the pump, but low level protection and overload protection remain active. This pump acts as the base condition for the entire system. The RO pump has strict control conditions. In auto mode, RO pump can start only when panel is enabled, feed pump is running, RO inlet pressure is above 3 bar, a 5-second start delay has completed. These conditions protect the RO membrane and the pump itself. The 5-second delay is not a software feature, it is a process protection requirement. It ensures stable pressure, stable flow, reduced mechanical stress. This delay will later be implemented using a timer relay in AutoCAD Electrical. To maintain membrane performance, an automatic flushing sequence is implemented. The logic is RO pump runs for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, RO pump stops. Flush solenoid valve opens. Flushing continues for 30 seconds. Feed pump continue running. After flushing, RO pump restarts automatically. This sequence will require multiple timers and interlocks. The dosing pump operates only when the RO pump is running. In auto mode, when RO pump is on, dosing pump will be allowed, and when RO pump is off, dosing pump will be stopped. In manual mode, dosing pumps can be operated independently, but electrical protections remain active. The product water tank includes a high-level float switch. If the product tank reaches high level, RO pump must stop, feed pumps must stop, and system must remain in standby. This prevents overfilling and water wastage. Certain faults must stop the system immediately. Emergency stop activation, phase failure, or overload trip. These faults override auto and manual modes, require operator reset, are typically latched using control relays. After a fault is cleared, panel must be reset, auto mode must be reselected, and system resumes normal operation. Automatic restart without operator awareness is never recommended in industrial systems. Everything we discussed today will soon appear as contacts, coils, timers, interlocks in AutoCAD electrical schematics. That is why control philosophy always comes before drawings. In the next video, we will convert this philosophy into a logic table, define signal names, prepare for ladder diagrams. After that, we will finally open AutoCAD Electrical 2026. If you want to design control systems like a professional, understanding control philosophy is not optional, it is mandatory. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.